How to turn off age restrictions on YouTube. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Masnad, and today I'll guide you on how you can turn off age restrictions or how you can turn off the restricted mode on YouTube. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up YouTube and you want to tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the bottom right corner of your screen there. Now once on your profile, what you want to do is you want to tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, and you can see the very first option right there that says general. So you want to simply tap on general option, and if you scroll down below here at the bottom, the second last option, you can see restricted mode. This helps to hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate, and this is basically the restrictions mode. So you want to simply enable this. You want to toggle the switch off here. If this is enabled, then it means the restricted mode or the restrictions is enabled. So you want to simply disable this and the age restrictions will be disabled. So this way you can turn off age restriction on YouTube. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.